Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to convert image to PDF. First of all, after you open your phone, all you have to do is just go to your browser. After you come to your browser, tap on this search and search for this website I love PDF. As you can see, ilovepdf.com. So tap on search. After you open the website, scroll to down and tap on this option which says JPG to PDF, this one. Tap on this section to select your image. I will just go and select a random image. After you select the image, as you can see now, tap on this done at the top. So tap on this convert. Allow it to finish. So as you can see now, it has been finished. So tap on this downloads. So that's it guys on how to convert image to PDF. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching guys.